Now, what the question wants you to do, come pay attention. They say arrange in ascending order. Ascend means go up. Okay? Descend means go down. Oh, that's all. Okay? So ascend means go up means what? You arrange in 1, 2, 3, 4. This kind is called ascending order. Yeah? Yeah, same. Okay, so that's why we're gonna same, like you have -4, then -3, negative. Think of your number line. Think of the number line. All right. So that is the thing that I want to nag, because I think some of you were not thinking of number line, and therefore you got the wrong position. Like the negative actually very small, you go and think of it as very big. Okay. So okay, pay attention. How do we handle this? Pay attention. We think of number line, that will be very helpful, really. Okay, because number line tells you straight away this number has to be here. I mean, come on, it's 0.2. It's negative. That's the yeah, the dot tells you something about this, right? This is negative 0.222222222, and so on, right? The dot. That's what the dot refer to, right? Can okay. So that's 0.22, but that's a negative. Okay, so pay attention to negative number first. Don't know why I cannot change color, but never mind. Oh, because there are only two negative numbers. This one is negative 0.5. So which one is bigger? Which one is further down? Which one is further up? That's the question you want to answer yourself, because you're supposed to arrange them, right? Correct? So a number line will give you a set the stage for you to have that kind of thinking, because number lines is like that, correct? Then you go backwards is -1, -2, -3. So the more you go back is the smaller. The more you go front is the bigger. Agree? -100 is smaller than -1.
Yeah.
Okay, because it's further down. So the more you go here is more negative, it's smaller. Understand? The more you go there is bigger. Okay? So the 0 is like the 中间 right in the middle. Okay, that's what the number line is about, right? So on day 1 we talk about number line. That's for you to have a sense of where your numbers are. Okay, now once you have that idea, then now we can try to put this into the number line, right? So which one is bigger? It's a bit hard to think, because I know you're all new to this. One of the easiest ways is this, okay? If you're comparing these three numbers, I know you're very clever, but let's think about this first. If this one, if you are just comparing -1 and -3, which one is smaller? -3. Why? Because it's a bigger number, but it's a negative bigger number. That's how I think last time now. Okay, I hope that helps you. Okay, so it's a bigger number, but it's negative, so it's actually smaller. So if I got -1 million, is it very big? It's actually very small. But 1 million very big, what? But it's a negative. Get the idea, right? Good. Okay, so if you have that idea in your head, now our job is much easier. We have a 0.5 and a 0.2. Don't care about the 222 lah. That one is just distraction lah. Okay, 0.5 and a 0.2. Which one is bigger number? 0.5, right? But 0.5 negative. Now is smaller. But you get the idea now. The thinking now, of course, when I talk like that, it can be quite confusing. All right, so the -0.5 should be further left compared to the -0.2. Make sense? Okay, we settled a negative number already. And now we need to think about the positive number. Make sense? Okay. Positive number only got this few. Sorry, I need to. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Okay, come quick. Next one. Positive number. So there's a 2, there's a square root 2, and there's a 2 and 1 over 10, 11, whatever that means. But this is obviously bigger than this. We know that already, right? So then we need to figure out what the heck is this. How do we figure that out? We use calculator. 1.4. Okay, or if you die, cannot use calculator. Yeah, first test cannot use calculator, right? Okay, then you estimate lah. I mean, come on, common sense will tell you square root 2 has to be smaller than 2, right? Okay, if you cannot understand this, let me explain. If you think about it, let me think. Square root 2 has to be smaller than 2. Hey, wait, hold on. This is very obvious, what? Right? Square root 2 has to be smaller than 2, right? Because something times something then give you 2, what? So there's something and something must be less than 2. Okay. So now we know that the smallest is square root 2, then followed by 2, then followed by this. Okay. Now this is to help you think, but your answer cannot be like that. Your answer is like that, comma, comma, comma one. Arrange them neatly. No. This is like you're working. It's for you to go and sort it out where it is. Maybe they give you a number line, then you just own self put. Okay? But you understand how we handle it? Are we all good? Okay. So those of you who got it wrong, please check. Sorry. Okay, now y'all don't sit together. Separate. Separate. Okay. Like that. Keep talking. Then you're separate. Okay, come. This one more negative. More people get wrong. Okay. So try to understand. You already done. That's why I want to go through only. Except for those of you never do, we discuss and then we do together. Okay, can? You want to do also can do together. Let's do now. Or on the spot we discuss and we do because it's supposed to be homework No homework done already. Okay. Make sense of it first. How do you make sense? You try to this is nothing to make sense. It's already fixed. Okay. This one is fixed. Okay. This one you want to write out, you should because it's minus 0.6666666. Which is different from this. They are not the same. Okay, so okay, they're not the same. Which one bigger, which one smaller, we discuss later. But this number is a bit weird. 5 lah. They're all wrong. That's why lah. No. Okay, so come. You want this question also a bit irritating. They say descending means what? Getting smaller. So they want the reverse one. Okay, can? All right. So first it's like okay. I mean the number line helps you think about where they are, but it's not the answer. Are we all clear? Depends on how many marks you have lah. If it's only 1 mark, then you'll probably get 0. I don't know. Depend on your school, okay? But anyway, we want to get full marks on, okay? Anyway, so the first step we want to do is to solve all these numbers, like 0.666, 0.666, the negative 6. Then this is what? What is this? 1/6. Since we cannot use calculator, right? Yeah, but that is not very helpful because all these are between 0 and -1 as well, right? So yeah, I know, but what I mean is this one also between 0 and -1. So you need to know who is next to who. It make that into a decimal. Okay, so if you got no calculator, that sucks. All right, and no choice. If you got calculator, your job is a bit easier. Then you know, okay, this is 1/6. Okay, then we know. But okay, let's assume we got no calculator because some of you going for a test without calculator, right? Your test can bring calculator? No, depends. Some school can, don't care. You can bring first test? Don't know. You also don't know. Still nobody knows. Okay, so we assume we don't have. So how? We do DIY lor. No, to do this yourself, make your own calculator. 神经病. Okay. So this kind you know how to do not? Seriously, I a bit forget. Yeah lah, also a bit forget lah because we all do rely on calculator already. Okay, shh. Aiyo, you overly excited leh. What time what is 40? What time 6 is 40? Where got such thing? 6. Okay, very clever. 6. Okay, good enough. We only need this. Because the rest are 0.6, then 1.1. Right? So what's the point of going forward and going more? No need. Don't waste time. Don't waste your life. Just understand that it is agak there. Okay, but this is good enough because this is 0.1, the rest are 0.6. Very obvious. Don't care. I don't care. You see, I stop there. I'll just need to know the first decimal place are good enough already. Agree? Because I just need to compare, ma. Alright, and you just need to compare who is big, who is small only, what? You understand what I'm talking about, right? So what's the point of having 10 decimal places there? No point, right? Okay, alright. So you got to be smarter when you know calculator. Anyway, okay. So now we know their how they look like already, right? This is how all they look. Now we need to arrange them. Okay, and that is the hard part. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we use number line as a guide, but number line is not the answer. But that's one problem because number line is ascending. And they want descending. So this question is like double confusing. Alright. First of all, it is descending, then you got all the negative number. Oh my god. Okay, so we have two strategies here. Okay, we have two strategies here. One is to just do in ascending first because it's easier to arrange from small to the big, right? Because we are more familiar with small on the left, big on the right, right? So you can arrange it that way first. Then your answer copy backwards. Okay. Or if you think you're okay with it, then you just have a reverse number line. But I think the one a bit more playing around with your head. So you go crazy. So I think much easier is this. Come, let's use our number line as a guide. Okay. So who is the smallest? No need lah, don't waste time. It's a working only. Oh, wait, hold on. The number line is not the answer. The number line is not the answer. The answer is the arrangements. Understand? Arrange. The number line is not an answer there. That is your school, I don't care. Okay? But you need to know how to do. Are we clear? How to do, okay? So come, pay attention. So the number line is to help you arrange. Okay, so who is the smallest? -6, good. That's the biggest number. That's 0.1 leh. It's closer to 0 than this. 0 is here lah. Right? Okay, so -6 is the furthest. Okay, good. What's the next? Okay, good. This is the -0.6666. Okay. Never mind lah, because no space. But you get the idea? It's arrangement only. This one is not the answer. Don't. Okay, never mind. Okay. Then you just make nicer. Hey, what? You write fraction. This line also must use ruler. Well, that's called OCD, man. Okay, shh. Don't complain about your school. There's nothing I can do because you choose the school yourself. Okay, anyway, come. 0.6. What's the next one? Well, who's the neighbor? 0.666. Good. Okay. Set up. Next one. No more already lah. Okay, great. Hold on. That's not the answer also. If you this is ascending. This is ascending. The numbers are getting bigger, right? Yes or no? Good. Then therefore my answer should be copy backwards. Forgot negative. I like that. That is the answer. Are you clear about how to handle it now? It is how you handle it because it's actually a very lame question. It's like give you 4 numbers, ask you to arrange small to big. It's very easy, but because it's very confusing. Because you got the point lah, then you got decimal lah, then you got negative words, right? So you must learn how to manage it. That's all.